Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Handles the pass. Poked away in the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Hershey's got the puck in the defensive end. Clock ticking down here inside the first period. Score!